Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. Today we will be presenting an amazing deal with Ideta. Have you been overburdening yourself by spending time responding to queries? Reduce your workload by developing a chatbot. Try Ideta. Get lifetime access for only $69. Ideta is an AI-powered app that allows you to create dynamic chat and call bots without coding in order to reduce your workload and generate leads. Even non-techies can create a smart bot with Ideta's no-code interface, which reduces their effort and improves customer satisfaction. You can build a chat or call bot that interacts with customers on your website, Facebook Messenger, Slack, WhatsApp, and other platforms. Look deeply into the user experience without touching a line of code by creating new discussion scenario templates and changing existing ones. Your bot can not only carry on a conversation with you, but it can also manage some of your internal operations, such as lead collection and follow-up. You can also connect your bot to any API to receive notifications when clients start talking to you. That way, if the conversation requires a more human touch, a support representative can step in and take over. The bot can then send data to your agents, CRM, and Google Sheets, as well as email. Because your bot can be bilingual, you'll be able to communicate with customers from all over the world. With Ideta, create a smart bot that responds to all of your potential leads and customer queries in a human-like manner, allowing you to boost customer engagement and increasing your sales. Lifetime deal starts at $69 only. You can save as much as $270. What are you waiting for? Grab Ideta now. Do you like what you're hearing about Ideta? Check out the link below for more details and get lifetime access today at discounted price. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get updates on our latest software deals and so much more. Take a look at our collection of current software lifetime deals, available on the right side of your screen. Find a low-cost software solution among the countless deals available. Please subscribe and hit the like button to get our latest software deals and much more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.